Dang it.
line extending from near Mount Vernon to near Winnsboro, moving northeast at 50 miles per hour. Hazard, 70 miles per hour in gusts and quarter-size hail.
Lovely.
Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect considerable tree damage.
Dang.
Wind damage is also likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Locations impacted include Mount Pleasant, Bucks Elder, Omaha, US 259 and I-30 intersection, Wilkerson, Whitfield, Winfield, Talco, Nona, Miller's Cove, Hards Bluff, Lydia, Cuthan, Roder, English, and Harvard. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 7:45 a.m. Central Daylight Time for the following counties in Texas: Bowie, Kemp,
Please
Franklin,
play the
Morris,
EOMs.
Red River, and Titus.
Okay.
You're listening to your weather radio.
God, tornado warning! Tornado warning! Oh my god! Holy crap! Holy crap!
The National Weather Service in Shreveport has issued a tornado warning for northwestern Cass County in northeastern
Oh god,
Texas,
for my county!
southwestern Bowie County in northeastern Texas, northern Morris
Holy
County
crap,
in
this one caught me by
northeastern
surprise.
Texas, northeastern Titus County in northeastern Texas, southeastern Red River County in northeastern Texas until 7:45.
I don't know why this one's on display. I need to set this one to voice.
At 7:08 a.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe
Thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near
over
Mount Pleasant. Oh god.
65 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado and quarter-size hail.
Oh wow.
Source, radar indicated.
Oh hey, my Maxon went off.
Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Naples, Omaha, and this 259.
Windows and vehicles will occur.
Yep, Caleb's relaying it.
Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Naples, Omaha, and this 259
And so
and
is
I-30
KPOS.
intersection around 7:20 a.m. Central Daylight Time.
That's 3.
Floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows.
If
If you are
in
outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter
know
and
how
protect
this
yourself
goes, to be
from flying
honest.
debris. Tornadoes are extremely difficult to see and confirm at night.
Dude.
Do not wait to see or hear the tornado. Take cover now.
It is freaking 7:10 in the
Tornado
morning.
warning has been issued until 7:45 a.m. Central Daylight Time for the following counties: